I'd like to introduce y'all to my homemade crochet foot thongs. I make these. I take orders. I make them from children to adults, all different colors. These are crocheted. I call them foot thongs because that's the way I just like it. These are thicker ones. I make them for the holiday. You can wear them with sandals, without sandals. And I just wanted to share this with y'all. I also do sneakers. These are requested ones. These are for the babies. And I do sell them. I'll leave my email in a link below. If you have any questions, hit me up on the comments. I do scrunchies, hair things, and I also do ribbons. This is a variety of what I have. Thank you for watching. Throw them likes up.